All right, we're in our 2013 Audi A8 today, and we're going to try to drive using the front camera. We'll try this at home, folks. Of course, I am looking up every couple of seconds to make sure there's nobody else around. But yes, it would appear you can actually drive the car using the cameras only, which is what I am doing. Okay, that's absolutely wild. Yeah, let's go. Let's just paint the windows. We'll just paint them black. That's what we'll do. That's just too crazy. There you have it. Driving your car using its cameras and not looking at the windshield.